Hi guys, it's your girl Irie and welcome back to my channel. So, it's been I think it's three years ago na since I uploaded my last YouTube video. And ngayon lang ulit ako nag-upload ng video guys kasi I'm kinda boring and nag-iisip ako kung i-continue ko yung pag-YouTube ko kasi I I lost motivation but on doing video in YouTube. So, I don't know if I still continues it or i-close ko na siya permanently or i-continue ko yung pag-YouTube ko. I don't know. I lost motivation talaga. So, ayan lang. Bye! Sa lahat mo nakakanood nito, comment kayo dyan kung ano mas maganda. I should continue or I should close permanently. Diba? Hindi naman ako sikat dito, but let's see kung merong magko-comment dito sa video na to. Bye!